Welcome to the Windows Club. If the 5 GHz hotspot is not available with Windows 11, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check if your PC supports the 5 GHz band at the first place. Now scroll down to solution number 1 and copy the command line mentioned here, which is the net shwlan show drivers 1. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste this command here and hit enter. The details will pop up. Now scroll down to the radio type supported section. If you find the 802.11 AC drivers, then your PC supports the 5 GHz band, else it does not. The second solution is to check if your router or your mobile hotspot has the 5 GHz band active or not. For this, try checking it on some other device connected to the same Wi-Fi connection or hotspot. The third solution is to update the Wi-Fi drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on check for updates. When you update Windows, the network drivers will be updated automatically. The last solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Scroll down to the network adapter troubleshooter and click on run corresponding to it. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.